In the year 1707, the Kangxi Emperor of the Qing dynasty laid the first stone. What would become the most ambitious architectural marvel on Earth began here. Over the next 150 years, successive emperors expanded this sprawling landscape. They were combining the poetic water towns with grand European architecture. It was not just a palace, it was a living encyclopedia of world art. Known to the world as Yuanmingyuan, the Garden of Gardens, an unparallelable masterpiece of human creativity, standing at the absolute height of its historical glory.
Here, Western Baroque design seamlessly married Eastern Imperial philosophy. Move your screen or your VR headset to explore this grand, lost world exactly as it looked before history changed it forever. Rotate your camera upward and look at the roof line. You are witnessing a phenomenon unique to world history. Classical European facades are capped with traditional glazed tiles. Spearheaded by Jesuit designers like Giuseppe Castiglione, this hybrid architecture blended linear perspective with imperial luxury.
Look closely at the magnificent fountains of Dashuifa and watch them vanish. In October 1860, this entire pinnacle of human creativity was systematically looted and burned to the ground by invading forces. What took a century and a half of human genius to construct was reduced to fractioned stone and ash in just a few agonizing days.
Though the physical palace was lost, its artistic spirit refuses to die. By digitally reconstructing these walls, we ensure its memory is never forgotten. Thank you for traveling back in time with us. If you want to see more lost wonders of history brought back to life in fully immersive and 360-degree VR, please smash that like button and share this journey with others. Leave a comment below, where should our time machine take us next?